Okay, hey everyone, it's summer, and sometimes we want to tell our friends in English what our plans are for summer. That's what today's episode is on the Social English Podcast. Hikari, kick it off.
皆さんこんにちは。毎日少しずつ社交に使える英語の上達を目指すソーシャルイングリッシュポッドキャストへようこそ。今日はぜひもっと自信を持って英会話してみましょう。Are you ready, Percy? Let's go!
Thank you, Hikari, for that great intro as always. And hey, everyone, I'm very happy to be here today. Having a great time. I'm enjoying the summer. I hope you are too. And I just want to say that I'm hoping that we all get a chance to focus on our English today in today's episode. I think you'll find it very, very interesting. If you are new here to the Social English Podcast, welcome to the podcast. If you are a returning listener, I thank you for showing up and coming back to the podcast. Every time that you show up, every time you're here, it helps me out. And please don't forget to go to patreon.com/social English to support the podcast. Okay, without further ado, let's start as we usually do. We're going to start off today with the mind. We are going to think about me and you sitting at a cafe. At the cafe, we're going to have our favorite cup of coffee, maybe a scone, some dessert. Do you like croissants? Do you like biscuits? Do you like cookies? Maybe a sandwich. But the key is to relax. Social English is about relaxing and communicating and having a fun time speaking and enjoying English conversations. I'm your friend Percy, who you invited to the cafe, and today we are going to talk about English. I hope you can hear the people in the cafe with us. Now, what we're going to talk about today is summer plans. We have a Social English Repair Shop episode, and a listener who is a Japanese person, Nihonjin, who is studying English, asked me to help fix their English. They want to talk about summer vacation, natsuyasumi. They want to tell a friend in English what they want to do on summer vacation. So let's talk about it. First, I will speak their English, their incorrect, wrong English, and then I will fix it and I will explain why I chose the words I chose. Okay, so let's start. Now, if I speak too fast, please play this episode at 0.5 speed. You can always repeat or go back if you did not understand something. I will repeat everything at least 2 times. That way you can get a chance to hear it 2 different times. Okay? All right. Let's go ahead and start. Okay, so the Japanese learner of English, a Kaiwa student, this is his dialogue. Today, I should make my plan about my summer vacation. This summer, I should study, prepare job, Prepare master. It will be very busy. One more time. Today, I should make my plan about my summer vacation. This summer, I should study, prepare job, prepare master. It will be very busy. Okay, now when you've listened to that Japanese learner of English, maybe if you are intermediate or medium skill level or high skill level, you already hear the mistakes. If you are a beginner, maybe you do not hear the mistakes. So, let's listen to my social English correction of those sentences. Okay. Today, I should make plans for my summer vacation. I should study and get ready for a job. I'm going to be pretty busy. One more time. Today, I should make plans for my summer vacation. I should study and get ready for a job. I'm going to be pretty busy. Okay. If you listened, I took 2 sentences from the Japanese learner of English and I changed it to 3 sentences. This way, when you speak to someone, it is very clear about what you are saying. So, let's talk about them sentence by sentence. 1. Sentence 1. Today, I should make my plan about my summer vacation. Social English version. Sentence 1. Today, I should make plans for my summer vacation. So, we don't want to say make my plan. We want to use plans because you are the speaker. We understand they are your plans. They're for you. So in this situation, you do not need to use my in this sentence. Sentence 2. This summer, I should study, prepare job, prepare master. It will be very busy. Okay. First part. Second sentence. Social English. I should study and get ready for a job. Okay. I should study and get ready for a job. Okay. So not prepare job, but get ready for a job. Okay. Prepare master. I have no idea what this means. Part 2, third sentence, social English. Okay. Replacement. Replacement. Okay. Replacement. I'm gonna be busy. I'm gonna be pretty busy. I'm gonna be pretty busy. This is the social English version of the wrong English. It will be very busy. So, in this situation, in conversational English, we don't call summer an it. When we're using social English, even though summer is not a person, it's better to use you, I'm going to do this. I will be my emotions. So I will be happy this summer. I will be busy this summer. I will be tired this summer. Something like that. So you want to put the focus in your conversation on you, the speaker, when you are telling a story about you and your life. So you want to say I, okay? So let me say the entire thing one more time in the correct English version. Please listen and practice on your own. Today, I should make plans for my summer vacation. I should study, get ready for a job, or I should study and get ready for a job. I'm going to be pretty busy. Today, I should make plans for my summer vacation. I should study and get ready for a job. I'm going to be pretty busy. Okay? All right, that's it. Those are the corrections for the listener's English. And hopefully you listened and you heard some of the mistakes earlier. Now, once again, like as in every show, I want to thank you for joining me today on the Social English Podcast. I know you learned something valuable from today's episode. Please come visit us at realsocialenglish.com, where you can get my free download, The 7 Mistakes Most Japanese Learners of English Make and How to Fix Them. You will also find more resources to help you get better at English every single day. Subscribe to the podcast on Apple Podcasts, Google, Stitcher, and now Pandora. Become a patron and help our show. Please donate $5 American or the Japanese yen equivalent to help us keep the show going. I will put this money into the show to help build better shows and more shows for you, the listener. My whole goal is to make this show very valuable for you to help improve your social English. Now, I will thank you for doing this by providing a thanks in a future episode. You will also get new content that will only be at the Patreon page. This is a website, a Patreon page for our podcast. It is patreon.com/social English, patreon.com/social English, SOCIALENGLISH. Share our podcast on with your social media with all of your friends, and follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, where you will see updated shows and information from me that I will post there for you. Now, once again, it was a pleasure. Hikari, please finish the show and take us away.
今日は楽しい時間をありがとうございました。ぜひ私たちのウェブサイトrealsocialenglish.com を訪問して日本語訳と役立つ情報を手に入れてください。また次回お会いしましょう。バイバイ。See you next time. Bye bye.